Make homemade oil from hot peppers. Here's what it can cure. We all know that these small and red chili peppers are super healthy. But did you know that you can use these chili peppers to make the most effective homemade oil to treat painful joints? Well, yes, this homemade chili pepper oil has powerful anti-inflammatory properties, and you can use it to treat many different health problems such as radiculitis, myositis, neuralgia, rheumatism, and joint pains. This homemade chili pepper oil is in the group of irritating oils. It expands the capillaries, improves blood circulation in the upper parts of the skin, enhances vitamin metabolism, and works to activate the regenerative process of the skin epidermis. In order to make this homemade oil, you will need the following ingredients: 10 fresh red hot chili peppers, 2 cups of extra virgin olive oil, glass jar from 1 liter. Directions. This recipe is very simple and easy to make. Just follow the simple instructions. Here's what you need to do. First, you need to wash the peppers, cut off the part where the stalk is, and grind with a meat grinder. You'll get about 1 cup finely powdered mixture. Then you need to pour mixture into a clean glass jar and pour the olive oil over the mixture. You should leave this mixture in a dark place such as the lower part of the kitchen unit. After 1 week, you need to strain the mixture through a gauze or a plastic strainer. The used mixture of peppers can be left in the refrigerator and used as a food additive, and reddish oil used for rubbing into the skin. How to use it? Here's how to use it. In the first few days, you need to massage the affected areas with this homemade oil several times a day. After rubbing, put on some warm socks or tights if it comes to feet. You need to be sure that the other parts of the body are warmed as well, depending on the location of the pain: hands, neck, back. After applying oil, you will feel the baking on the skin, but it will be bearable, even pleasant as the oil deep warm skin, but without creating burns. After some time, you can reduce the amount of oil you use for single treatment. After a month or 2, you can do the procedure once a week only if you experience joint pain caused by changes in the weather conditions. And yes, don't forget to store this homemade oil in the dark place. We really hope you find this video helpful, and don't forget to share with your friends and family. Thank you.